perspective. Let's quickly go back to the developments that are coming in from Patna at the moment. Very significant, with BJP MP Shatrughan Sinha meeting just a short while back Nitish Kumar, the Chief Minister of Bihar, and congratulating the Mahagathbandhan over the landslide victory that they achieved over his own party and alliance. And that is greatly upsetting the BJP now. The report suggests that action is also now likely against Shatrughan Sinha, also against another MP, R.K. Singh, for speaking out of turn and speaking against the party. Shatrughan Sinha has, of course, at this present moment said very clearly that he's just being graceful by going and congratulating Nitish Kumar, and perhaps will also be meeting Lalu, because both these people were the architects of this Mahagathbandhan that has managed to get a landslide victory there, and in the face of what many would say could have been an anti-incumbency after almost a quarter of a century, the two men have achieved nothing less than a historic feat there. All right, editor Shiv Arora is now joining us with more details. Shiv, even with reports coming in which suggest that at the 4 p.m. Parliamentary Board meeting this evening, action against Shatrughan Sinha is likely, his meeting with Nitish Kumar becomes even more significant because it looks like he is ready to take on his party.
That is correct, Maha. Look, the fact is action has been contemplated against Shatrughan Sinha for many months now for some of the things he said. Now, this is a picture of Shatrughan Sinha meeting Nitish Kumar as we speak. It's the first picture that's come out from that particular meeting of the two leaders meeting. Not by far the first time that these leaders have actually met. They've actually met before as well. But here you have Shatrughan Sinha calling on Nitish Kumar just a day after that historic victory by the JDU Plus in Bihar, sending out a message really, and this comes after Shatrughan Sinha sent out a whole bunch of tweets. He spoke to India Today first, made it very clear what his sentiments were, A, as far as the BJP's performance was concerned, and B, as far as what Bihar has actually chosen in terms of voting for Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad. Let's remember one thing. Shatrughan Sinha has never once masked his, his affection or his inclination as far as Nitish Kumar is concerned, which has led many to believe that the BJP would take action at some point or another against Shatrughan Sinha,
yes,
which is something that the BJP has not done so far.
Yes.
But this meeting, makes the complexion even more complicated because Shatrughan Sinha has congratulated Nitish Kumar. He has, praised him as being, the best potential chief minister of Bihar,
yes,
and he is going to be the chief minister again now.
Yes.
So as far as action being contemplated against him by the parliamentary party or by any other forum of the BJP, it becomes much more complicated now, Maha, because at this point of time, the BJP has the spotlight squarely fixed on it. Any decision that the BJP actually takes at this point is going to be scrutinized threadbare, especially now. As Amit Shah, Team Modi, the Brahmastra, so to speak, of the BJP, look for answers as the scrutiny, the light of scrutiny is on them more than anybody else. If they are seen to be taking action against someone like Shatrughan Sinha, instead of, shining the light within about what went wrong, that might not actually go down well, with the party cadres and the opposition. Shatrughan Sinha may be, seen to be just a scapegoat, an easy escape route, someone to blame as far as the BJP is concerned. So this meeting assumes a lot of significance in that light, Maha.
Well, absolutely. And in fact, Shiv, if I can add, some people have already been tweeting that action against Shatrughan Sinha or the likes of R.K. Singh might actually not go down well, as you're mentioning, with the party workers, who many of them believe that action should be taken against the loudmouths who actually led to the defeat of the BJP. At least that's the sense among the state unit of the BJP in Bihar. Let me go across also to Rohit Singh. Rohit, are we getting any details of the meeting between Nitish Kumar and Shatrughan Sinha?
Well, Maha, what we are learning from sources is that it's a closed-door meeting that Shatrughan Sinha and Nitish Kumar are having at this point of time. There is no one else in that room where this meeting is going on. But let me give you a small background. There is a history to it why Shatrughan Sinha has suddenly become so defiant. Because ever since the Modi government has come to place in Delhi, Shatrughan Sinha has been completely not given any post. He's been sidelined, and this is what he has been alleging, that despite being such a senior man in the BJP, he has not been given any post in the government, also or in the party. And also during elections, there were no pictures of Shatrughan Sinha in any hoardings or posters, and so that was the problem and the complaint of Shatrughan Sinha, and that is why he started speaking against the party line and started praising Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad Yadav. And during elections also he raised several issues which went in the favor of the Mahagathbandhan and against BJP. And what Shatrughan Sinha today is doing is rubbing salt on the wounds of BJP, because it's the crushing defeat that the BJP has got just 24 hours back. The BJP has completely been decimated in Bihar, and on top of it, a senior BJP man, a senior BJP MP is coming to meet Nitish Kumar, and after this meeting he'll be going to meet Lalu Prasad Yadav, who stays just 100 meters away from Nitish Kumar's residence. And obviously this is what he is doing. He is needling BJP at this point of time and also teasing them.
Yes, absolutely. Huge embarrassment there for the BJP. Rohit, stay on with us. Let's quickly listen into what Shatrughan Sinha had to say a short while back.
अभी आ रहा हूँ, अभी बोल चुका हूँ, अभी बधाई देने आया हूँ। अब अभी आता हूँ, आके मिलता हूँ। हमारे साथ पवन वर्मा जी हैं, हमारे मित्र हैं।
नीतीश कुमार से मुलाकात,
भारतीय
शत्रु जी, नीतीश कुमार से मुलाकात हो रही है आपकी?
जी हाँ, मुलाकात कर रहा हूँ, उनको बधाई देने आया हूँ। बिहार के फिर से मुखिया चुने गए हैं। मैं पटना साहब का सांसद होने के नाते हमारे साथ हैं अपने पवन वर्मा जी, जो बहुत बड़े वरिष्ठ अभूतपूर्व फॉरेन सर्विस के और ज्ञाता गुणी और साथ में जेडीयू के बहुत बड़े नेता के साथ में हैं। हम लोग मिल के जा रहे हैं उनको बधाई देने के लिए। अवश्य मिलूंगा। आता हूँ।
Let me go back once again to Shiv Arur joining us with more details and perspective. Shiv, you know, Shatrughan Sinha could not have been more blatant than this. He was accompanied by Pawan Verma, a senior JDU leader, while he was going to meet Nitish Kumar.
That is correct, Maha. And in Shatrughan's defense, if I may actually say that he's never tried to couch, the sentiments that he actually nurses for the JDU, for Nitish Kumar. So the fact that he's actually gone there, completely unapologetically is not surprising at all. Shatrughan Sinha has been consistent in his praise for Nitish Kumar personally as a leader, if not for the JDU at large. So it's not surprising at all that he's been escorted by Pawan Verma. The fact that the BJP was humiliated in Bihar yesterday has obviously emboldened Shatrughan Sinha to a great extent, because he's got that air of "I told you so" writ large on his face. He has since yesterday when he provided that first interview to India Today. So Shatrughan Sinha has all the cards in his hand right now. The Modi Shah Brahmastra, the poll-winning, maestros of the BJP have, in Shatrughan's mind, been shown their place. He's wagging his finger at them, saying, "You didn't listen to me about what happens in Bihar. You allowed Nitish Kumar to make this the Bihari versus Bahari sort of fight, and therefore I was proved right, and I'm having the last laugh. So why should I be apologetic about meeting Nitish Kumar or praising him, something that I've always done?" And as we've been reporting ahead of this as well, Maha, these dissenting voices are going to get louder than they currently are. The bigger question, of course, is will action be taken against Shatrughan Sinha? Like I said, the spotlight right now is squarely on Amit Shah and Modi,
Yes.
because what happened in Bihar definitely reflects on their election-winning prowess as well.
Yes, yes.
And B, will Shatrughan Sinha remain in the BJP or
Right.
will he cross over to the JDU? That's a larger political question, depending on what happens to Shatrughan
Yes.
Sinha within the Bharatiya Janata Party itself.
Clearly, Shatrughan Sinha was an unhappy man. He was sidelined during the elections. He was one of the star campaigners who was in fact never allowed to come out and speak for the party. Shiv Arur and Rohit Singh, many thanks for getting us all those latest updates. Taking a very quick break now, news and updates will continue on India Today with Avantika Singh. Stay.
Nisagama manipamaga nipamaga sanipamani sapasa जहाँ तक याद आती रहेगी